Good morning children, welcome to our third class science. Now we have to learn about that plants who are there in our surroundings. That is plants around us. Around us means in our surroundings, our home surroundings. In our homes we are giving to birth to small baby young plants. How can it is come? When the seeds of plants we have to sowing in the soil, we watering the seeds. Then few days after the little baby plant will come out from the soil. That is called plants. We have in our home different types of flowers, different types of fruits and vegetable giving to plants. That we have to arranging different types of medicinal plants in our home. Holy basil is there, that is called tulasi. Every day our mother or father are doing puja to them. Because of that is called medicinal plants. In our surroundings, so many different kinds of flowers, vegetables giving plants, vegetable fruits giving plants, and trees are there. We have to learn about that in this lesson about the trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. In the trees means the big and strong woody stem is called trunk. That strong woody stem have that plants are called trees. What is that? That strong woody stem is called trees. Trees examples banyan tree, mango tree, peepal tree and neem tree. Do you know neem tree? Yes, that is vepa chettu. Neem tree, like guava tree. So many different types of trees are there. Next is shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees. Shrubs are smaller than trees. What is that? Shrubs are smaller than trees. They have many stems, many branches. It is close to the ground. It is close to the ground. Examples: bougainvillea, hibiscus, cotton, rose plants. See, I will locate the pictures to you in this lesson. See about the trees. See, banyan tree, palm tree, mango tree, pine tree. These are the examples of trees. See, trees are strong and tall plants are called trees. A tree has strong and woody stem is called trunk. That trunk have so many branches. Like that so many branches have, that is called trees. Trees, banyan tree. Look at the picture. Banyan tree, palm tree, mango tree, pine tree. Next is shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees. They have stems, many stems to the grows close to the ground. Their stems are thin and woody. That is called example cotton, rose, hibiscus, mehendi and bougainvillea are some examples. Here it is there pictures. See, this is the cotton plant, this is the rose plant, this is the hibiscus. Hibiscus ante mandara puvu. And last one mehendi. మన మెహందీ మైదాకు పెట్టుకుంటాం కదా, that is. Next, herbs. Herbs are that smaller than shrubs. It is they have the thin and soft green stem. That they have soft green stem before. What is the shrubs to the smaller? And they are examples: spinach, grass and holy basil, tulasi. See here grass. I will show into picture. This is called tulasi plant. In our home daily we have to keeping in Hindus or goddess of Lakshmi, they are doing pujas. These are the examples of herbs. Next we have to go into the climbers. Climbers have weak stem, they cannot grow straight. So they take care and support to the walls. We have to arrange the sticks and other plants to climb. These are called climbers. Examples: money plant, grapevine, pea are some examples of climbers. See, look at the picture, observe the picture. This is the money plant. In our home we are keeping. And next one, this grapevine. Next we have to go into the next creepers. Creepers means they have to grow along the ground. See, creepers are plants that grow along the ground. These plants also have weak stems, then cannot grow straight. Then we have to arrange the support to the walls or sticks. We can arrange the threads to the creepers. They are examples: pumpkin, watermelon, bottle gourd, example for the creepers. Here it seems I will show the picture. సి పంకిన్ అంటే గుమ్మడికాయ, వాటర్ మిలన్ అంటే మనం తెలుసు కదా సమ్మర్లో వీ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ వెరీ వీ కెన్ ఈట్ ఇంట్రెస్టివ్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ జ్యూసీ అండ్ స్వీటీ ఫ్రూట్ ఇన్ సమ్మర్. it is avoid to us to summer hotness because of it is help to us to cool the body. Then we have to go into that why should we grow plants, ఎందుకు మనం plants ని పెంచాలి, why, what they are giving. Yes, we have to plant more plants because of they are giving plants are giving fruits and vegetables. We have to making curries and we have to, the trees are giving very juicy sweet fruits and their stems branches are giving to wood to make our home furnitures, sofa sets, beds, benches, anything useful item we are making them. That's why we have to more plants, more planting trees. Okay na, just you have to see why we have the trees are useful to us. I will show the textbook. Yes, trees are useful because of, yes, trees are useful. See, trees are useful to us for various purpose. Trees gives us shade to make their air fresh and clean. What is they means trees make the air fresh and clean. Trees gives us oxygen. Trees provide the habitat to grow wildlife such as birds, bees and squirrels. Trees provide wood. Trees bear fruits which are edible. Edible ante తినడానికి యూస్ఫుల్ అయిన ఫ్రూట్స్. Below are the uses of some important trees. Below some important trees are there. I will show that is some important trees. What is that important trees? Examples I will write on the boards. Look here, mango tree, coconut tree, neem tree. Because of they are some important trees. Why they are important? We learn about the textbook. I will show the textbook. See, mango tree. People enjoy eating mangoes during summers. Yes, mangoes are useful to prepare achar or pickle. Leaves of mango trees used for the decoration during the pujas and festivals. People tie the swings into mango trees and enjoy the swinging on them. Yes, mango tree helpful to, how can we can use the mango plants because of mango leaves are we are using during the festival season. We have to tie that our doors to the leaves, as that is that we can feel holy leaves and we can use that festivals or pujas during the days. And what is that in summer again they are giving the mango tree fruits. It is a very delicious, it is a very sweet fruit in summer. We are eating enjoyful this in this summer season. Next it provides, we have to make the kacha mangoes achar ante mango chutney, mango pickle, avakaya, that is we have to prepare in summer season. And in that village peoples are in that our surroundings for the tree of mango tree, we have to use the thread, we have to singing on them, swinging ante uyala kattukoni aadutuntam kada. Yes, that's why the mango tree is the one of the important trees. Next we have to go to the coconut tree. It is the very useful to us. Coconut fruit can be eaten raw in or cooked food from we get water, oil, milk from it. Coconut oil is used for several purposes such as for cooking and as hair oil. The roots of the coconut tree are used to make dyes. Leaves of coconut tree are used as roofing material and for making brooms. Yes, coconut tree also useful to us because of that we are using various purpose of the coconut tree. Because the coconut tree is giving the leaves, we have to use to that coconuts are giving to coconut milk, coconut oil, coconut we can eat in raw and we can cook food also with the coconut. And coconut oil also using for several use for cooking or applying the hair. Next one, that roots of the coconut tree we have to use make it to that dyes. And the leaves and coconut tree use it the roofing cleaning, that we have to use that we have to make it the broomsticks. Next one, neem tree. Neem tree is the leaf, an excellent cure for skin infections. Neem oil used to for preparing soaps and shampoos. It also used as a mosquito repellent. Yes, neem tree. వేపాకు ఉంటుంది కదా, వేప చెట్టు. That is used to avoid the infections, skin infections, and it is used to soaps, making oil to use it in soaps. That is replacement of avoid the mosquitoes also. Next one, water plants. We have to go into the water plants. That is, water plants means plants that grow in water. They are called water plants. Example is lotus and water lily. Why? Because they have to grow in water only. Then water lily, lotus, water and seaweed are for examples of water plants. Next one is that last one, but not least, desert plants. Desert plants are that grow in sandy soil or in less water. That is, they are called desert plants. Why? Because desert plants, how can it came that desert area, the plants will grow. That's why we can call them sandy soil. And in our surroundings, not sandy soil, red soil or block soil, mixed soil is there. But in desert areas, only sand is there. That is called sandy soil. In the sandy soil, those plants are growing. That is called desert plants. Desert plants are examples: cactus, aloe vera, palm, and acacia for examples. Just wait, I will show the picture to you. This is that we can call cactus plants Brahmajamudu also. We can call them the Brahmajamudu plant. Cactus, aloe vera we are using in our homes. We are keeping in our homes aloe vera plant. Kalamanda we can call them. These are the water plants. Lotus, water lily. We know very well this one. In festival season we are using them. Mostly in Batkama season we have to using decorate the Batkamas. Okay. This is that water hands. This is the one of the related to the lotus. Up to here we have to complete it, Nana. Next session we have to go to that next lecture. Just you children, you should buy the textbooks. Otherwise we can't, and you can't understand. We not helpful to you because of the questions are, you only find out the answers. If you collect the textbook, if you read the lesson, you can identify the answers in your application. You should complete that. Afterwards we can go to the next lesson. Thank you.